Welcome to Future Ready Teenagers. It's very easy to become a parent. However, we do not have any manual for parenting.
प्रोसेस वैसे तो इंडिविजुअल अवेयरनेस पे है हाउ वाइज द पेरेंट्स आर
In this series, we will be inviting teenagers, parents, teachers, and schools to set the context for redoing education system.
earlier the system was there was a guru in our gurukuls who initially observed the child for a few years and then they were given the super specialized kind of niche where they will excel their focus and their
Okay, Devina, you have so many accomplishments at such a young age. Teenage suicides and teenage depression. It has become a pandemic. ऐसे इकोसिस्टम में आप अपने आप को कैसे इतना वेल मेंटेन रखते हो?
I feel like most of our problems then they come from comparison.
I believe that education system में ही हम ये comparison की भावना और comparison के mental codes subconsciously hit कर देते हैं बच्चे को. Teachers love की definition बना देते हैं अच्छे marks.
Then why is it called an education system? Why don't we call it just a comparison system?
Many patients, when they come with their children, they talk in such a condescending tone, in such a demeaning tone to their children. They're always telling the faults. You're not doing this right. You're not doing that right. The child is always made to feel not good enough. The irony is that the parents feel that they are doing the right thing. If you have to redesign the education system, how would you start all over?
I would tell the kids and the parents that there's something called beliefs that exists. Those kids who are 8, 9, 10 years old, I wanted to make sure that they understand this and that no matter whatever anyone else tells them, they should still be able to rewire their own belief.
What exactly is homeschooling?
See, if you're homeschooling, you have a lot of time on your hands. So at this point, if the child has their own curiosity, they can spend their time there. So I was really curious about learning about healings, about manifestation, law of attraction, universal sciences, all of this stuff.
Are we going back to that Gurukul system by virtue of a new word like homeschooling? If I want to put my child in homeschooling, what should be my mindset? What does purpose mean to you at this stage in life? If you have to redesign the education system, how would you start all over? What tools or habits have you developed in your journey of self-growth? What does learning mean to you beyond the textbooks and exams? Let's begin.